Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is James Mountain 34 back with another shoe pickup. I actually got these. Let me see here. I'll look at my receipt, see what date. I got these on June 21st. Just now getting around to doing a vid because I've been doing a lot of other pickups and busy and working and all that other good stuff. So, anyways, here it is. Let's get into it. Got the Nike Air Foamposite penny ones, aka cough drops. Really sick. Picked these up at the Nike outlet. I saw Ask Cruz vid and Mr. Jones. I saw they got them at the outlet, so I said, what the hell? I went down, made a trip to my local outlet. Excuse me. Here in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Drove down there, and they had them. I think this was the last one. I saw one my size, 9.5. You see the retail, 200. I paid $119.99, no tax. There's my receipt. And I also picked up a pair of black Nike socks to go with them. So that's it. That's my pickup. I'm not going to really do a review because, we got a million of them out there. Just wanted to show you what I picked up. Look at them. Glad I found these. Real good shoe. Real good price. Can't beat $120. Some Foamposites. That's a good deal in my book. But yeah. Stay tuned. Have some more pickup videos. I got my Independence Day 5s coming. They tried to deliver them yesterday, but I wasn't home, so to sign for them. So we'll be back Tuesday. We're going to deliver them tomorrow because it's 4th of July, but should get them Tuesday. I'll be doing a vid on that. And I also have the 11 lows, the black and red joints with the smoked out gray bottoms, so I'll have those. And anyways, stay tuned. I'll have many more pickups, lots of heat coming. And oh yeah, if you're looking for Foamposite electric blues, I got them. I still have sizes 8 through 11, so hit me up. And I also can get a 7.5 if anybody needs it. Alright, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. Peace.